What's going on, everybody? It is Fitz and Rolls the Truck back here with another video. Today we're going to be installing 7x6 LED headlights in the truck. So let's go ahead and get started. Step number one is we're going to remove this little grill right here. For me, I only have 3 of the tabs connected. One on this side, one in the middle, one over here, and then there are bottom tabs at the bottom of the grill. Alright. Step number 2, there are 4 little screws, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. You're going to take those out. I can't get this one out, but I think we can wiggle the headlight out like this. So step 3, you're going to pull this out. You're going to pinch the sides and pull back. There you go. If I did everything correctly on both the headlights, it should be a T on both, and then when I turn the brights on, all of them should come on. So let's see if I did it right. All right, we got a T on both. And then we got all of them. Sweet. All right, well, this has been Fitz and Rolls back here with another video. If you guys have any questions about this install, please let me know. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one.